Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today I'd like to take a little bit of time and show you our 2014 Heartland Bighorn 3875, and this is a front bathroom. So this is a bath and a half, fifth wheel. I want to point out that it's got the beautiful beige on the outside. Really makes this fifth wheel look nice. Don't have to wash it as much because it's not white. Frameless windows as well. Enclosed heated underbelly. Nice large power awning. It's got the light underneath the awning. It's got 4 steps. It's got aluminum rims. 6-point hydraulic auto level. It's warranted for full-time living. It's got the big grab handle on the side. It's got tons of outside storage. Got the outside radio. To level this coach, all you have to do is hit auto level and it takes it from there. 2 30-pound propane tanks, outside speakers, nice aerodynamic front cap, nice colored cap, hides all the bugs and road grime, extended hitch pin for your short box truck, gives you 88 degrees of turning with your short box truck. So keep going around. It's got 3 slides. All your poles are inside. Black tank flush. Outside shower. I'll go around the back. 50 amp service. It's got a cap on the back. These frameless windows really make it look nice. Okay, there's that 3rd slide. Now we'll get right inside. Okay, as we come in the door, just want to point out that it's got bull floor linoleum that holds up to cold weather climates. It's also got a Dyson vacuum on board, and it weighs 13,462 pounds. Okay, so we've got our residential refrigerator. Nice thing about this residential refrigerator, it's also got ice and water on the outside. Lots of storage. Fantastic fan right above. It's got the rain sensor on board. That's what that little raindrop is telling you. Convection microwave. Solid surface countertops. Stovetop oven. High-rise faucet. Undermount sink. Lots of storage. So I keep going. I just want to point out, I'll back up a little bit. As we move into the living room, we got our fireplace. Nice thing about this fireplace is it's electric, so if you have free power, now you have free heat. Then we got the big Samsung TV, and it's on an arm, so you can, if you want to sit on the couch and watch it, you can pivot it towards the couch. Then you got your ceiling fan, lots of storage. Then you've got your couch right here that goes into a bed. Okay, and now this camper has Mcd Shades. So let me just show you. These are American made. You got one shade that goes down, and then you've got a night shade that goes down. These have been in motorhomes, now they're in fifth wheels. Just a really nice feature. Then you got your 2 ultra leather recliners, plenty of storage above. Then you got your table with the 2 chairs. Okay, so now we're going to look at the half bath. Nice roomy half bath, plenty of knee room. So your company doesn't have to come bother you in the middle of the night. Solid surface countertops, medicine cabinet, lots of storage. Okay, now as we go up the stairs, got a drawer that pulls out of the stairs right here. Nice feature. And then nice spots for your jackets and all your controls right there. Okay, so now we're going to go by the pocket door. We're going to enter the master bedroom. King size bed. Windows on each side that open with Mcd shades again. Second air conditioner is right above me here. Another nice big TV set. Plenty of drawers. And a large window right in the bedroom here. Okay, now we go into the master bath. Through the door. Residential shower. Nice thing is it's got a seat. Okay, next thing. Beautiful closet here. This can be for stackable washer dryer, or it can just be more closet space. Okay, then up front here we've got more closet space. There's the Dyson vacuum that I was talking about. Just a huge closet, lots of drawers in it. Then we've got the solid surface countertop again. Plenty of storage space. And another porcelain toilet with tons of knee room. So just a really neat floor plan. Plenty of ceiling height. Just a great, great floor plan. Well, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this fifth wheel, just call or text me at 218-391-ANDY. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.